Contour generation by using SW DTM. Here, I have a coordinate Excel file obtained from Site Survey. Let's open it. Survey data contains 1. Easting, 2. Northing, 3. Elevation, and 4. Remarks. First, install AutoCAD and SW DTM on your PC. There are lots of videos on YouTube showing how to install these softwares. Open AutoCAD and start a drawing template. Open SW DTM software. Select Arrange an Excel file. Select from first point to last point by excluding the headings. This is our range. If we do not provide the range, DTM will show error during importing. Points are plotted in AutoCAD, but we do not know where they are. Press Z for zoom and X for extents. It will take us where the points are plotted. These are the plotted points from that Excel. Click the boundary in such a way that all points remains inside that boundary. Click on Contour. There are two options, Draw Quick Contour and Draw Round Contour. Click on 4. Draw Round Contour. Minor Contour Interval 1 Major Contour Interval 5 Rounding Factor 10. Providing higher value of rounding factor will make contour smooth. Click Draw. Our contours are now generated here. Major contour are drawn in 5 meters interval, shown by gray color. Minor contour are drawn in 1 meter interval, shown by cyan color. In this way we can generate the contour map.